Sample problem 2.9. Write the chemical formulas for the following binary molecular compounds: sulfur tetrafluoride and tetraphosphorus decasulfide. Okay? So notice the prefix. When you hear the prefixes, that's telling you right there it's a molecular compound. So let's remind ourselves of the nonmetals: carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. And then phosphorus, sulfur, and chlorine, arsenic, selenium, and bromine, and then iodine. Now, arguably, arsenic is actually a metalloid and not a nonmetal, so you probably won't see it very often in these sorts of compounds. But these are the nonmetals. Okay, so let's try the first one. The first one is sulfur. The symbol for sulfur is S. The next one is fluoride. Well, that's fluorine, and the prefix, well, the name of the prefix is tetra. Tetra is 4. So SF4, right? Sulfur, tetrafluoride. Okay, you got to memorize those prefixes. Mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, deca. Second one is tetraphosphorus. Okay, well, phosphorus is right here. Tetra is 4. So P4. Decasulfide. Okay, that's sulfur right here. Deca is 10. So S10. Okay. Tetraphosphorus decasulfide. And that's how the molecular compounds are named. Actually, they're a little bit a little more simple than the ionic compounds, particularly the ionic compounds with the transition metals where you have to use the Roman numerals. Okay, so let's try one more. Let's try dinitrogen tetroxide. Okay, nitrogen, N, di is 2, oxide is O, tetra is 4, N2O4. Okay. Nitrogen monoxide. See, not monooxide, but monoxide. Only one O in there. Okay. Nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen. Monoxide, so that's O. There you go. Mono means 1, right? Remember, you don't use mono in the first element. You can only use mono in the second element. So NO would be nitrogen monoxide. Keep in mind that sometimes these compounds have common names or other naming systems. So if you look this up, you might actually find out that it's called nitric oxide. But we're not going to go into that issue right here. We're going to use this system right there.